Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, little white package here. Let's see what we've got. This was sent by, Oh, this is sent from OCD for EDC. All right. Well, we got a couple of different knives here, and we have a note with a whole bunch of stickers in it. There we go. Here's one of the stickers. I'll lay that out right there. What's up? Unfortunately, I forgot I sold the UKP case. You can only get two. No problem. Also included, the CME for you to keep and try. Okay, cool. Let me know what you think. And that's from Justin. All right, cool. I appreciate that, man. Let's see here. The first knife is, I don't know why I'm so drawn to this thing or why it's so interesting. This is the Spyderco Atlantic Salt. This is so weird looking. I think it's the blade shape. I think these are available right now. I'll link it down below so you guys can check. But in LC200N, and I think it's the combination. Honestly, I think it's the black mixed with the green, and then the super weird blade shape, right? Like dodo bird, sort of toucan looking blade shape. Really, really odd, but cool. And I mean, honestly, just exactly what I thought it would be, right? Straightforward ergonomic lines, nice choke up position, easy access to that little hole there, and you can just barely got that reverse flick. Oops. Yeah, you can totally do that if you want to. And then you can use one hand, shake it down. Right? Very cool. That's one that I'll definitely be interested to talk about here in a couple of weeks. This is not a review, just an unboxing, first impressions, guys. So not a lot of details here. I'm just kind of taking these out, looking at them. Ah, yes. The, what's this one? The Tropen. Is that what this is? The Spyderco Tropen. Yeah. So, I don't know. So here recently, I have this amazing interest in Spydercos that flip. This is another one of those, by the way, where the flipper tab comes right through the compression lock area, right? So you have to push the compression lock and then move your finger out of the way. If you get low enough, it looks like will it pass it? Not really, right? So you got to kind of like push it and then move it's just like the amalgam. You have to kind of push it and get your finger out of the way, right? But it does flip, and it does have a cool look. A lot of people are really going to like that. What is this up here? Looks like a bottle opener. Is it like a wave? Is that what that is? Hang on. Let me give it a shot. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. What you can't see me doing off camera is pulling the knife from my pocket. That little unicorn horn will catch my pants pocket and deploy as I draw it, right? So if I'm extra hungry, right, and I got a bag of chips and I need them opened extra quick, right? Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's got smooth, what I'm assuming is micarta. Maybe it's G10. Sometimes it's hard to tell when I think this is G10. I think. It'll be linked down below so you guys can take a look at it. And then CPMS 30V. It is very smooth. Flipping action's very good, right? If you get your finger, you can see there I'm starting to get the timing down, right? So it's kind of, these flipper compression lock knives from Spyderco are always kind of like goofy, right? But if you get the timing down, which I'm failing at now, but see, you can get it if you just sort of let go. Use a little bit of wrist to kind of help get that knife back down. That's kind of neat. How's the centering on it? Centering's all right. I imagine it's just from flipping up, if it's a little off center. This is Taichung, Taiwan, correct? Did I see that? Yeah. And then this is a Japanese Spyderco, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. All right. Both of these are pretty much exactly what I expected them to be, but you guys like, when I take a look at Spydercos, I like looking at Spydercos, right? So this works out. I realize this has been a super heavy Spyderco month, yeah, I'm still very interested. What is this little... I have to kind of understand. There's some other things in this bag I'm going to have to kind of figure out. But anyways, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today. Thanks again to OCD for EDC for letting me take a look here. I appreciate that. Make sure you follow him on Instagram and check out his YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.